Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful mirror work embroidery neckline. So these are the some kind of models I'm showing you. You can make it as like this, and now I'm going to show you my version of making this with a liquid embroidery glue. And for this project I'm going to use a liquid embroidery like this. You can get in all colors. Today I'm going to use like a rust color. Okay, so I'm just took two bottle, but one bottle is more than enough to finish one project. And I took a small mirror and a big mirror, and you can see this is a pre-prepared neckline. I have already given the interfacing canvas to this neckline, and now just I'm marking the exact position for the mirror. So I'm just going to mark the place where I'm going to stick the mirror. Okay, so this is absolutely depends upon you, as much mirror as big you want, and you can always alter the place where you want to stick the mirror. So now you can see for two rows I'm going to stick the small mirror, and the third row I'm going to give the big size mirror. Okay, so now I'm going to mark for my big size of mirror. So this embroidery glue is available in all the colors, so you can just alter the color as you like. And today I'm using a rust color because the fabric is black color fabric, so I just thought of using a rust color embroidery glue. So add a generous amount of embroidery glue for each point. The concept is when you put the mirror on the embroidery glue, the glue should come out of the mirror. That is, the glue should cover the entire circle of the mirror. And I show you how it's going to look. So now I'm going to place a small mirror like this, and I'm going to place it on the exact center, and take a pencil and you're going to press the mirror on the center so that the glue is going to cover the sides of the mirror. Okay, and now you can see the glue should come out and it's going to cover the sides of the mirror. Okay, so once it's done, once it's been completely dried, make sure you turn the fabric and you iron the fabric on the wrong side, and for sure 100% it won't go off, and you can give even 100 wash, the fabric will tear but the mirror will stay in the exact place. And the embroidery glue is really a strong kind of glue and it doesn't go off, believe me. This is my third or fourth kurti I'm making in same pattern. Okay, so now I'm going to finish off my second row. So same like that, just place the mirror on the exact center and you're going to press that with your pencil like this. So if the glue is not covered on the side, make sure you draw the glue on the sides. So now you can see, now I'm going to make the big mirror. So if you're handling with a big mirror, make sure you add a very generous amount of glue like this, and just place it in the center and push a little bit like this. So like this I'm going to finish the third row of my mirror work. So you can add a big size of mirror all the sides, and you can, if you want, you can just alter the size and you can alter the pattern, the design, whatever you want to do. You can give your own creation. So this is my kind of creation. I just want it to be a little bit away from the neckline. I don't want it to be too close, so just left up to you as you like. You can arrange the mirror. It's just absolutely according to your creation and your imagination. So now this is the end result. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below. See you next time with a different kind of style. Take care. Bye bye.